The 4 Dangers of Cold Market Recruiting. Part 2. Okay, so let's talk about the difference between online versus offline recruiting and their risks. First, cold market, offline prospecting, in the real world, means networking with strangers in public places. You actively seek people out for the purpose of introducing them to your business, that is looking for people to talk to at the mall.
Hello, how are you doing? I'm so excited to be with you today. I suppose you are all doing great. It's a pleasure to be with you to share pure value that will help you move your business forward and to the next level. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, welcome to my platform. My name is Ogo Hilary. I'm a social media expert and online business coach. I help network marketers and business owners with vital tips, tools, and strategies to build a solid network marketing business online, to be able to know your targeted market and prospect using online business tools that can be used on all the social media platforms, to be able to generate leads and make more sales. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'll be sharing on the topic we started on the part 2. The title of the topic is The 4 Dangers of Cold Market Recruiting. The 4 dangers of cold market recruiting. You can make reference to the part 1. I'm going to continue with part 2. The 4 dangers of cold market recruiting. Part 2. Welcome to my platform. Okay, so let's talk about the difference between online versus offline recruiting. In the real world, means networking with strangers in public places. You actively seek people out for the purpose of introducing them to your business. That is looking for people to talk to at the mall or in the self-improvement section of Barnes and Nobles. That's how you find prospect. And in your everyday activities, you constantly think about where can I find more prospects, people to connect to, so I can introduce them to my business. Second, cold market. Online prospecting is a little different, but not completely. First, the good thing about doing it online is that you can do it from home. That's it. That's a good thing. You can do it from home. Yes. Your first option is to target people you might have a common connection with. That is friends of friends on Facebook. Yet this still carries many of the same relationship damaging risks as real life recruiting and prospecting. Obviously, the first risk is that there's always a lot of rejection, offline and online. And the people you are targeting, whom you don't know but may know people you know. If you bother or upset them, there are reputation issues to deal with. And the strategy is to target people in social media business groups or forums, because you know that they are entrepreneurial. But this is also where you can get into trouble. As I've stated before, being labeled annoying is the best you can hope for, as opposed to being caught intentionally poaching other people's customers, like the person I mentioned above in the part 1 of this video. Now at this point you might be thinking, I really don't want to be those people harassing everyone. I mean, those people harassing, you don't want to be them. Those people harassing everyone they meet about business opportunity. And you know what? Nobody does. And besides, this way of networking and relationship building is arguably outdated. Very outdated. Why I completely stopped cold marketing prospecting and recruiting, I made a decision that I no longer wanted to do cold market prospecting because of the embarrassment, which actually ended up being the best thing I ever did and exploded my business and income. As a result, I will share with you what I did instead to recruit and build a 6-figure networking business within 9 months of this decision. But first, I want to share with you the issues I have with continuing to do cold market prospecting in the 21st century. In most cases, one, cold market recruiting is opportunistic. Cold market recruiting is opportunistic. When most are doing cold market recruiting, they are always looking for an opportunity to serve yourself. And it's very difficult to get in a mindset of actually wanting to serve others when the intention is really self-servicing. Self-serving. The best prospectors and builders in the world are able to flip a switch in their head to remember that the person they are serving and helping is the person they are trying to recruit, not themselves. However, that is very difficult. I know it's a very difficult thing to do for a majority of networkers, especially if you are broke, hard up for cash when you need cash, a desperate situation, and need results fast. Then you are almost forced to approach the situation in a selfish way because you are hoping that that person joins your business to help you out of your situation. This switch usually doesn't happen until many years later, when you have actually gotten results. Because then your belief is well established. Until then, cold market recruiting means taking from others and being opportunistic, which people notice. And your desperation will come true. You don't want that, which leads us to the second problem I have. Nobody wants that. This leads us to the second problem I have. Cold market recruiting is agenda oriented. I repeat, cold market recruiting is agenda oriented. When prospecting, every personal conversation you have with another individual online or offline is now about your business, which is bad. Thus, every conversation you have is not authentic, it's artificial, intended by an ulterior agenda you always have in the back of your mind. That your main purpose is to prospect that person, but you put that person into conversation, but you have an agenda in your mind. Is there anything wrong with that? I don't know. Honestly, just not how I wanted to live my life. I don't want to have to go to a party or my cousin's house or my uncle's house or a friend of friends' house and have prospecting and recruiting in the back of my mind all the time. I did that for over a year when I was in my first network marketing business, and I was not happy that year. I wasn't happy. Prospecting my bartender, my waitress, prospecting my friend of friends. I was successful and I knew how to do it, but it just wasn't an existence. Just wasn't an existence. I wanted to live for very long, which leads us to problem number 3, cold market recruiting. Cold market recruiting leads to misunderstanding and alienation. I repeat, cold market recruiting leads to misunderstanding and alienation. Obviously, in the real world, if you are targeting friends or friends, what can get around about you? People start saying things, negative things about you. You are not that person nobody wants at their house party or to be around with. And you quickly end up in the no friend left club. feeling alone and isolated. That's a big boomer. I guess you don't want that. I guess you don't want to be tagged that person that nobody want to be around with, nobody want to be with, nobody want to hang around with, because you have an agenda in every conversation to present your business opportunity to. Thank you so much for tuning in, and God bless you. If you would like to learn more about working effectively, taking critically, and getting real results in your business, then I strongly recommend getting access to the free 10-day online recruiting bootcamp and discover how to build your business using attraction marketing. You can click on the link below or click on the learn more on my fan page. Obtain your name and email to get it. You will learn all about the specific tools and techniques we use to connect with prospects online, so you never have to act desperate, chase down, or stronger prospect, or deal with cold calling and rejection ever again. This method allows you to build your business automatically, where prospects reach out to you instead of you having to reach out to them. The bottom line is that in today's age, you don't need to be pushy, obnoxious, or overly aggressive to build a successful business. So if you are ready to get started, you can click on the link below to get access to the 10-day online recruiting boot camp. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay tuned for another day. God bless you.
Follow me for tips, tools and training to professionally build your network marketing business online, to get targeted prospects and team members. Follow me for tips, tools and training to professionally build your network marketing business online, to get targeted prospects and team members.